Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. Check out what we got here today. This is a 2012 Factory 5 Type 65 Coupe. This is a one-off build and it was designed to replicate that iconic Shelby Daytona Coupe from back in the day. This was built by Vintage Motorsports and it has earned accolades like the Best Design Award at Factory 5's open house for 2 consecutive years. Its unique build process is pretty well documented with 3 binders full of photos and build records. Despite its high performance capabilities, this vehicle has never been raced. Now this Type 65 features a full composite body. Its design closely mirrors the original Shelby Daytona Coupe. For this exterior, it is fitted with premium components such as aluminum panels and braided hoses. Now just taking a step back to really look at this vehicle, from the decals on the side to the blue paint with the white stripes and the way the hood just slopes down, this is such a gorgeous recreation. Let's talk a little bit about what is powering this thing. It gets its life through a 7-liter FE 427 big block V8. This thing is going to push out an estimated 520 horsepower. It includes Edelbrock aluminum heads and has a Borla stacked fuel injection kit that's been installed. Now all of that is paired to a Doug Nash 5-speed manual transmission and Centerforce hydraulic clutch. It also has a Ford 8.8 rear end with 308 gears. Of course, it does have a limited slip differential, so you can still get traction with all of that power. As we take a look inside, the cockpit is equipped with a 6-point roll cage, which looks pretty dang cool. It has features like black upholstery, and like other Factory 5 builds, it offers some newer enhancements like that sporty seating with the blue harnesses, Alcantara dash, but the whole interior is really just driver focused with all the instruments pointing to the driver's seat. It's pretty simple inside, but it has everything you need to hit the racetrack. We are very excited to see what this vehicle is going to sell for today here at Barrett-Jackson. Today is Saturday. Of course, this is a Saturday vehicle. I can imagine it will fetch quite a high price. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see how much it sold for. Now, I would love to hear what you guys think about this build down below in the comments. That's gonna be the end for me, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And remember, comment down below your thoughts. If you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website, Auto Hunter, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.